Do some farm chores. Take care of the animals. Come on, girl. You ready? Cowboy thinks it's his turn. It's not your turn yet, baby. Ma'am, you're not supposed to be out. Donkey. Gosh, Cowboy's food. Alright, Bella had to go feed, donkey feed. There's all that. Oh, okay. I'm gonna let the ducks eat. The little ducklings. Hello. And then I'll switch out their water in a minute. But if I go over there messing with them, they're gonna run away. Hello. Let me hear feed up. That better? That's Big Daddy and little mama. Sweet babies. Y'all gonna need some feed. Gonna need some water. Hold on, let me fill this up. Hopefully my new camera and stuff will be here today and I can figure out how to work it. Because as of right now, I don't know. Okay, here we go. Y'all ready for some food? I also have a mic and I don't even know how to work it. Out here, ain't it, baby? Goodness. You thirsty, girl? Okay. And then we got Milan had mail in here. And they do have places they can get off of the wire. And the other rabbit actually has no wire underneath her. That's why it would be perfect for the chickens so they don't hurt their feet. And this is one of 3 quail hens that I have. Hello! Y'all are good on feed. Don't you slip out. And we will go talk to them. And we got 1 egg out of there. Ducks, you know, just a random little duck egg. She lays them quite literally all over the yard. So, rabbits need Give them, they get fresh water every single day. Look how precious. Watch out, baby. There's some fresh water. I like to rotate it out. How to cook it. Okay. Hey, baby. Wish this golf cart would work better when it does, so it would be of good use. My roses, they are just showing out. Hot. It's okay. I got water. That's all Mama can do. It ain't even hot today. I think it's only 77 out here. Y'all gotta get it together. It's not even hit 90 degrees yet. Summertime in Georgia is ruthless. They're gonna have a long summer. Hello. Uh-oh, watch out. Hello. Uh-oh, move. Good Lord, they get up under your feet. So we've got to clean that up. Hold on. They think they're getting food right now. First of all, y'all already ate. I fed y'all this morning. Since y'all don't think y'all get fed, over here, I gotta put some chick feed in it. Got a bunch of chicks that just hatched too. It's hard work doing this by yourself. Don't do that to that butterfly. Leave it alone. Them cats be hunting everything but what they're supposed to be hunting. They're having nothing to eat. Excuse me. Alright. Got our 2 eggs. I'm going to take these over here so I don't forget them. Do it like that right there so they're safe. Okay. I'm about to hook y'all up. I just got to switch this water. Hold on. Quail. A few little quail in there. Okay. Now, I'll put their water on this. And look at this little baby right here. Fit. I mean, that does feel delightful. So we are a fan of the naked necks. Okay, golly, you done spilled the water. Now, I'm going to try to hook. Make sure they fly out of there. I'm going to try to hook these like Okay. Look at there. I'll move the camera so you can see what I get. See there? Okay. This way. Put that right there. It's not knowing. They just already starting to scratch. Y'all want some treats? Look at that. We are going up here, putting this on the porch, just so we don't forget them. And now we're gonna go check on the chickens. Make sure everybody's got food and water, collect some eggs, check on the quail. Excuse me. Alright. They got water. I gave them water this morning. Excuse me. Knock it off. Alright, here's one egg. Okay, ladies. Y'all slacking a little bit. Okay? I tell you, I try to be pretty resourceful when it comes to things like these feed bags. This area, I'll do a farm tour, but see, it's in the sun, which is fine, but you don't want them to overheat. So I blocked it with some feed bags. It worked out. And I got this board in here. Sometimes they knock it over. Good job, ladies. 3. These are my celadon. Ma'am, you're not supposed to be up there. Are you done? That's like she's lost. I was getting about 20. Put them in my egg cart. Oh, hey, baby. Sorry. Honey, you get up under me. Got a bad day. Excuse me. Got a lot of these babies that we're selling. We got quail in here that's got to go too. Who lays an egg. I had to put her in here because the bigger ones was being mean to her. Okay, Elvis. These guys go through so much water. These are my broody mamas with some babies in here. These ones. They hatch them out. Chick feed for the babies. No, go. No. No. Excuse me. Put their feeder. Toss the food out to them. wanted it to be a quail cage. So there's nothing wrong with the cage. I'm not just going to throw it away. So, made it into a quail cage. Good. Now, we got to go water the garden and feed Cowboy. We're done. 5 quail eggs. 3, that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 eggs. Plus that's weird. Anyway, plus the duck egg. Not too shallow. Okay. Oh wait, I think I see another egg. So, I do in fact see another egg. So we got 16 eggs today and a duck egg. Cool. Not too shabby for a day on the farm. Alright, Maybelle, you ready to load up, girl? Huh? Gotta go water the garden and feed Cowboy. Come on, Maybelle. See if this janky little golf cart will go for me. Brush him yet because he just does not, he don't do well with that. The fly spray. Water the garden. The water hose is up there in the garden. Yes, my reverse sound only works half the time. It's okay though. It's okay. I bet this thing ain't gonna make it up this hill. Maybe we're gonna have to go. This is pedal to the metal. Works when it wants to. Gotta plant these this weekend. That one's not done. Cowboy some fresh water. Hey, Bill, you don't eat those now. Don't you go to eating them. They're not yours. Fresh water. Ain't that right, Cowboy? Huh? Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm new. This is my first YouTube video. Never thought I'd be doing it, but I thought it was fun to watch. I know other people, so I just thought, what the heck. And anyway. You know the drill. Y'all comment and like and subscribe. Apparently it does help, you know, me out. So we'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.